Money from Venmo to credit card. In this video, we are going to learn how to transfer or add money to Venmo from credit card. So let's get started. The process is simple. You just have to follow these instructions. First, you have to link your credit card to your bank account. First, ensure that your credit card is linked to your bank account. You can usually do this through your bank's online banking platform or mobile app. After that, transfer funds from credit card to bank account. For this, use your bank's online banking platform or mobile app to initiate a balance transfer from your credit card to your bank account. Beware that credit card issuers may treat this as a cash advance, which may come with fees and higher interest rates. Then add money to Venmo from your bank account. Once the funds from your credit card are in your bank account, open the Venmo app and navigate to the Balance tab. Then tap on Add Money and select your bank account as the funding source. Enter the amount you want to add to your Venmo balance and complete the transaction. Then use Venmo Balance. Now that you have added to your Venmo balance, you can use it to send payments to friends, make purchases from merchants that accept Venmo, or transfer money back to your bank account if needed. That's all. That's how you can add money to Venmo from credit card. That's simple.